Ready to tackle the toughest jobs? To prove what you're made of? Then you come to the right place. At Big Tex Trailers, we're rolling out something new for the relentless, the unstoppable, the X Series. Built with the grit of a true professional, each model in the X Series is loaded with high-end features that work as hard as you do to increase efficiency and productivity. With materials chosen for endurance, the X Series stands as a beacon of exceptional value and superior quality that you can rely on, job after job. Discover the backbone of Big Tex's X Series, the 14 and 16 EH, our seamless I-beam equipment trailers, and the 14XD, our top-tier 14K dump trailer. The journey doesn't end here. The X Series is just getting started. Because at Big Tex, we are with you for the long haul.